In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set buffer time in Calendly fast and easy. If you often find your schedule packed too tightly between meetings, adding buffer time in Calendly can be a true game changer. It can help you carve out some much-needed breathing room in your day, allowing you to prepare for and unwind from each appointment without feeling rushed. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide to setting up buffer time in Calendly so you can have a more manageable, stress-free schedule. First things first, you're going to want to head over to Calendly's website. Open your browser and go to calendly.com. Once there, log in using your username and password. If you're already logged in, that's great. We're one step ahead. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your events are neatly displayed. Now find the specific event type you want to adjust. Hover over it, and you will see three little dots appear to the far right. That's your gateway to more options. Click on those three dots, and a small menu will pop up with a list of actions. Here, you want to choose the Edit option. This will open the settings for that event type, allowing you to customize the finer details. Once in the Edit menu, look towards the bottom right, and you'll see an option labeled More Options. Click on that to expand a more detailed view of settings. You're going to want to find the section labeled Limits and Buffer. This is where the magic happens. Click on that, and it'll bring you to a new page dedicated to optimizing the flow of your meetings. You should see an option for Set Buffer Time. Click on this option, and Calendly will allow you to define how much time you'd like to have in between meetings. Here, you'll have the choice between different time increments. Depending on your needs, you might want a short break or a longer reprieve. For a quick 5-minute break between meetings, simply click on the 5-min option. But if you're after a bit more downtime, click on the 10-min option. These quick clicks will ensure that no meeting is scheduled back-to-back, safeguarding your transition time. Finally, after you've tailored these settings to your liking, don't forget the most important step. Click on Save Changes. This ensures all the adjustments you just made are committed to your schedule, providing the extra space you need around your meetings. And there you have it. Your buffer times are now set up, allowing your day to flow a bit smoother. By taking these steps, you've ensured that your schedule better fits your pace, giving you well-deserved breathing room.